Hi, I'm Lee, the founder of ChatterHigh, and I'm excited to explain to you how to use our site with your students. Our site makes it fun for students to actively explore post-secondary, career, labor market information, as well as financial and health literacy resources. Our site gets used in classrooms across Canada in both languages, and in some cases is embedded into the career development curriculum, where students are actually earning a grade by doing this activity. Our activity was researched by the Canadian Career Development Foundation, and a study is now being presented at conferences around the world, showcasing this as a best practice to get students engaged in this type of exploration. This activity will complement tools you may already be using in the classroom, such as Career Cruising or My Blueprint. The activity itself is a 10-minute multiple choice quiz that can be done at the start of any of these classes. The quiz has multiple choice questions which are informative, and each question has a link that takes the student to the exact web page on the government, industry, post-secondary website where the student must go and find that fact. And this gives them practice exploring these type of websites, and it builds their knowledge. When they come back to the quiz to answer the question, we then survey them on their awareness and interest in that topic. We control the presentation of questions to ensure that they see across the families of majors so that we can help map out their interests. And these interests get presented in a dashboard on the interest profile page. It will show them their top interests in post-secondary, in families of majors, and in jobs and careers. Now, the target is for them to get to 300 questions correct during the semester, where they will unlock a report that will list the top 5 majors that they liked and all of the places in their province that they can go, as well as how well they match up for things like varsity sports and clubs that they're interested in. It will also show them all of the perfect matches within Canada and within the United States. Now, I mentioned before that we make this fun for the students. As students explore, they earn points, which lets us gamify the experience. These points can be used to enter draws to win prizes for themselves, or they can donate those points to our partner charity, We Villages, where we convert those points to cash to help build classrooms around the world. And this can be really motivating for students, especially if you put the rankings for how much they've donated in the school up on the screen. By far, the most motivating event that we run are the competitions, where schools will raise funds based on how much they explore. And we run national and regional competitions that you'll have to watch out for. Schools have raised over $250,000 in the last few years. During competitions, it's good to know that anybody connected to the school can participate and help the school. So parents, teachers, any student in the school, which is why often leadership groups or philanthropy clubs will sometimes get involved, because it's a real fundraiser for the school. When you log into your teacher account, there will be videos on how to use the site and the various features. It's really easy to do. So I hope you have fun with this, and if you do, your students will have built a lot of knowledge, and this will help spark the conversation around making mindful decisions about life after high school. Thank you.